Hello, friends. Welcome back to the world of knowledge. Today, we are going to learn about the seven continents and the five oceans of our planet. Let's begin our journey around the world.
Asia. Asia is the largest continent. It is home to many countries like China, India, and Japan. Most of the world's people live in Asia. Africa. Africa is known for its deserts like the Sahara, and for amazing wildlife such as lions, elephants, and giraffes. North America. North America has countries like the United States, Canada, and Mexico. It is known for modern cities and natural wonders like the Grand Canyon. South America. South America is famous for the Amazon rainforest and the Andes Mountains. Brazil and Argentina are part of this continent. Europe. Europe is rich in history and culture. Countries like France, Germany, and Italy are found here. Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. It is also called Oceania, and it is home to kangaroos and the Great Barrier Reef. Antarctica. Antarctica is covered with ice. It is the coldest place on Earth, and no one lives here permanently. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean in the world. Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean lies between the Americas and Europe and Africa. Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is known for its warm waters, and it touches Asia, Africa, and Australia. Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds Antarctica and is very cold. Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and coldest ocean, located at the top of the world.
Great job, friends. Today we learned the names of the seven continents and the five oceans of the earth. Keep learning, keep exploring, and remember, knowledge makes the world amazing. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the World of Knowledge. See you next time.